What if I told you there's a way to protect yourself from unexpected financial disasters? Something that acts like a safety net when life throws its worst at you. Imagine your car gets totaled, your house catches fire, or a medical emergency strikes out of nowhere. Would you be able to cover the costs? That's where insurance steps in. But what exactly is insurance, and how does it actually work? Today, we're breaking it down in the simplest way possible. Insurance, at its core, is a promise. It's a deal between you and a company, called the insurer, where you agree to pay a small amount regularly, and in return, the insurer agrees to cover certain big expenses if bad things happen. That small amount you pay is called a premium, and the financial help you get when things go wrong is called a payout or claim. Let's use a simple example. Imagine you have a car worth $20,000. You pay your insurance company a monthly premium, let's say $100. If you get into a serious accident and your car is totaled, the insurance company could pay you the value of the car or cover the cost of repairs. Instead of losing $20,000, you've only paid a few $100s over the year. That's the power of risk sharing. You see, insurance works on a principle called risk pooling. Thousands or even millions of people pay premiums into a big pool of money. Most of them won't need to use it right away, but for those who do, like someone facing a house fire or a major surgery, the insurance company takes money from that pool to help cover their losses. Everyone contributes a little so no one is ruined by a lot. There are many different types of insurance, each designed for a specific need. Health insurance helps you afford medical care, from doctor visits to surgeries. Auto insurance covers damage to your car or injuries from accidents. Home insurance protects your house and belongings from disasters like fire, theft, or storms. Life insurance pays out money to your family if you pass away, helping them stay financially secure. Let's talk health insurance for a moment. In the U.S., a visit to the emergency room can cost thousands of dollars. A surgery could run into tens of thousands. Without insurance, you'd be paying all of that out of pocket. But with insurance, you're usually responsible only for a fraction, maybe just a deductible and copay, while the insurance covers the rest. That's the difference between facing medical bankruptcy and staying afloat. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Insurance isn't just about money. It's about peace of mind. Knowing that you and your family are protected allows you to live your life with more freedom, confidence, and less stress. Whether it's sending your kids to school, starting a business, or going on vacation, you're not constantly worrying about what could go wrong. But hold on, it's not all perfect. Insurance policies can be complex. You need to understand what's covered, what's excluded, and how much you'll actually get in a claim. Some people don't read the fine print and end up disappointed. That's why it's so important to ask questions, compare plans, and really know what you're buying. Let's bust a myth while we're here. I'm young and healthy. I don't need insurance. Sounds familiar? But the truth is, emergencies don't wait for the right time. Accidents happen. Illnesses don't knock before entering. And the younger and healthier you are, the cheaper your premiums usually are. So getting insured early often means saving a lot of money over time. You might also be wondering, what if I never make a claim? Isn't that money wasted? Well, think of insurance like a fire extinguisher. You hope you never have to use it, but you'd rather have it when you do. You're paying for security, for peace of mind, and for the ability to bounce back if something goes wrong. In countries like the UK and Canada, public health insurance is often funded by taxes, so basic medical care is covered for everyone. In the US, the system is more privatized, which means individuals often buy plans through employers or marketplaces. But no matter where you live, insurance, whether public or private, is a vital part of a stable financial life. So let's recap. Insurance is a tool that helps protect you from big financial losses. You pay a premium, And in return, you get peace of mind knowing you're covered if life takes an unexpected turn. It's built on the idea of sharing risk among many people so no one person has to bear the full cost of a disaster. Now that you understand what insurance really is and how it works, you're already ahead of the game. Don't wait for a disaster to happen to start thinking about protection. Look into your options, ask the right questions, and make smart choices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this. Got questions or want us to explain another insurance topic? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Subscribe so you never miss another simple breakdown of topics that matter to your life. Thanks for watching, and stay insured.